How to lose weight naturally without diet and exercise. Following a strict conventional diet and exercise regimen can be difficult. But what if we tell you that there are ways by which you can lose weight naturally without exercise and diet? Sounds too good to be true? Keep watching to learn about these proven tips and tricks that will not only help you shed a few pounds, but will also prevent you from gaining weight in the future. 1. Slow down when eating. Chew your food properly. Slowing down when eating by thoroughly chewing your food gives your brain enough time to process that you've eaten enough. When you do this, you will have lesser food intake and experience increased feelings of satiety. According to the 2015 study, Association Between Eating Rate and Obesity, a systematic review and meta-analysis, wherein 23 observational studies were reviewed, those who eat fast tend to gain more weight than slow eaters. 2. Eat protein-rich and fiber-rich food. Protein can increase feelings of fullness and minimize your hunger. According to a 2005 study by the University of Washington School of Medicine, increasing protein intake from 15% to 30% of calories makes subjects consume 441 calories less each day and shed 11 pounds in just 3 months, without intentionally avoiding any kinds of food. The reason behind this is that protein affects the hormones ghrelin and GLP-1, which have an effect on feelings of hunger and satiety. Some examples of foods rich in protein include fish, chicken breast, almonds, and lentils. Moreover, eating high-fiber foods, such as oats, beans, and flax seeds, can also help you feel full for a longer amount of time. 3. Drink enough water. Drinking water before eating a meal can result in you eating less and eventually weight reduction. In a 2009 study, water consumption increases weight loss during a hypocaloric diet intervention in middle-aged and older adults. It was found that drinking 0.5 liters of water about 30 minutes before meals can result in lower calorie consumption and minimize hunger. Subjects who drank water before eating lost approximately 44% more weight in 3 months compared to the participants who did not. 4. Avoid getting stressed out and rest well. Sleep deprivation can cause disruption in the hormones ghrelin and leptin, which play a role in your appetite. Meanwhile, when you're stressed out, your body produces more cortisol. When the proper functioning of these hormones gets disrupted, the tendency is that you will experience increased feelings of hunger and cravings, thereby leading to higher calorie consumption. All these strategies are scientifically proven to help in weight reduction. However, you should also make sure that you manage your expectations. These won't magically make you slimmer within a short period. However, by constantly doing these things and keeping a healthy and active lifestyle, you will surely achieve your ideal weight. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.